Hello, in this video I will talk about static variables in Unity, how and why you use them. As you can hear, it's playing an audio clip when it's hitting a target, and I play it right here. And why I do it is because the other way I could do it is by make a variable here and then find it by name or tag. Name or tag. If you look into the audio manager, you can see we have the instance right here. And the one way we could call this is the static way and the non-static way to instantiate it first. And the problem with static in like Unity, example Unity, is with the non-static you have control over which game object script your target. Like this audio manager, I can choose to target this game object audio manager with this. But with the instant, it does not show, so I can control which one I want to target. So in my case, I only have one game object with the one script in the whole game, like game manager, and call it by static. Bye.